Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN app, ZIVPN. So this app is already on Google Play Store. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So this is the interface of the app. So head over to your Google Play Store if you don't have it. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set it up and achieve a super fast, a stable and a secure connection. And also this app will help you to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So on Google Play Store, you open Google Play Store. So on Google Play Store, you search for ZIVPN, and among the presented, you pick this one. You pick this one as you can see on your screen. Install this app, and after installing the app, you're required to open it and you set it up. So today I'm gonna show you the UDP settings of this app. So I'm gonna show you the premium settings. I'm gonna show you on how to set up this app and to create a UDP account which is valid for 30 days. So you'll be able to secure your connection for a full month. And these are the setups. So when you reach in the app interface, you are required to obtain one configuration or a UDP account. So to create a UDP account, open Chrome or any other search engine. So from here we're gonna learn on how to create the UDP account, the premium UDP account, which is valid for almost 1 month, 30 days of validity. So you'll be able to secure your connection for quite a long session. So when you reach on Chrome, you search for custom UDP and you hit on search. Among the presented, you pick this one, the custom UDP site. So you visit this site. This site will help you to create the UDP account, in order to set up the ZIVPN. So on the site, tap on the 3 buttons. Then you opt for Saturday's UDP servers option. Then among the presented, you pick for Saturdays. You pick Saturday's ZIVPN UDP, Saturday's ZIVPN UDP. So from here you'll be able to create an account which is valid for 30 days. So you'll be able to secure your connection for quite long. And when you reach on this site, you'll be required to set up a UDP account by entering username, password, and then the access code. And then you'll be required to also verify I'm not a robot. So after you entering these fields, you'll be able to proceed. Before we enter the username and also before we enter the password, we need the access code. So you'll be required to watch this video until the end, so I will show you on how to get each credential. So you tap on this button which says get access code. So you tap on it and it will take you to where the access code is, and you can see that access code. So you copy the text below. So this is the access code. So you copy it. Then you tap on the back button of your device. So you will get back to this page where you need to enter the access code. So make sure to follow that tip. Then you correctly enter it in the access code field. Then for the sake of the password, you enter here any password as written. Enter any password, and also you enter any username. So you do that very fast. So after doing that, you're required to click I'm not a robot. So this is done to verify that you are human. After that, you'll be able to click on create server now. So this will help you to create a server within a few seconds. And please, if you are still watching this video, you are welcome. And let me take this chance to put this clear that before using any VPN, before using any site, please make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also this video is made for educational purpose. And also the settings shared in this video will help you to achieve a fast and a secure connection. So in case you follow along this video from the start to the end, you will be able to set up ZIVPN app, and the app will be able to work to provide a secure and a fast connection when you are using the internet. So let me hope I'm very clear, and let's continue. So in the server field, you're required to copy. So the site will create your account details. So you copy the server IP just like this, and also you copy the password. So you copy the password, make sure to be accurate. So you copy the password, and you can also copy the account details. So after that, you're required to go back and you open the ZIVPN app. And when you open the app, you're required to tick this option which says UDP. So you check this UDP box, and when you check it, you can see that it will tick itself, and you're required to tap on this menu button right here. And then from here, you're required to tap on UDP tunnel setting, and from here the UDP tunnel setting, you're required to enter the UDP server. So remember the account details we created earlier, they are the ones required to be entered in these fields. So you copy the UDP server or the IP address from the recently created account details, and then you paste here you put here the IP address or the UDP server. Then from here you enter the password. So make sure to be accurate, and you'll be able to go. So after doing that, after entering the IP address, you click, and after entering the UDP password, you click on apply. When you click apply, the app will take you back to the home screen. So from here, you will be required to ensure a fast and a secure connection, and also to add extra protection by tapping on the start button. When you tap on the start button, the app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And as you can see, the app is right away connected, and that's how we set up ZIVPN with 30 days premium UDP account to achieve a stable, fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe on this channel for more content. And also, please use VPNs responsibly, following your local laws. Make sure to read VPN terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And let's meet again in the next video. Peace.